morning, children. Good morning, everybody. Today, our GK topic is the world around us. Sixth lesson, the world around us. So, here given some of the flags and some countries and capitals also we have to learn in this lesson. A flag is a symbol that represents its nation, children. Every country has a different flag. Let us read about the significance of flags of different countries. Okay? The capital of China is Beijing. So first one is China's flag, children. So capital of China is Beijing. The red in the flag represents the communist revolution that took place in China. Okay, the huge golden star represents communism in adopted in China, and the other four stars represent the social classes of people. So once observe the China's flag, children, you will see 5 stars on the flag. So big star is represents communism as adopted in China, and remaining 4 stars represent the social classes of people. Okay, children. And next here given Bangladesh flag. Okay, the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The green color of the flag represents the lush greenery that the country has, and the red disc in the center symbolism. Center symbolizes the rising sun as well as the people who died in the struggle for its independence. Okay, and next here given Egypt flag. Yes, so the capital of Egypt is Cairo, children. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. The flag of Egypt has its national emblem. National emblem, the eagle of Saladin at the center of the white band. Okay, and the next one here given flag of Nepal. So once observe the flag, children, it will be 2 triangular shapes. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal, children. This is the only flag in the world which is not rectangular. The 2 triangular portions of the flag represent the 2 main religions that are allowed in Nepal. So, Buddhism and Hinduism. So, these are the 2 religions, main religions in the Nepal, children. Okay. And next here given the capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Bhutan's flag given, children. What is the capital of Bhutan? Thimphu. The dragon on the flag represents the country's purity. The jewels on the dragon's claw symbolize its wealth. The orange color of the flag depicts Buddhism, and the yellow represents the authority of the king. See, children, in this page. So what are the flags are there? China. China. It is represent. Red flag represents the communist revolution that took place in China. What is the capital of China, children? Beijing. And next, huge golden star represents communism as adopted in China, and the other 4 stars represent the social classes of people. And next here given Bangladesh flag. Okay, so here what is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. Okay, the green color of the flag represents the lush greenery that the country has, and the red disc in the center symbolizes the rising sun as well as the people who died in the struggle for its independence. And here given third one, Egypt flag. Children, what I said, what is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. Okay. So here observe the flag. Flag of Egypt has its national emblem, children. The eagle of Saladin at the center of the white band. And next one, what is the capital of Nepal, children? Kathmandu. So this is the only flag in the world which is not rectangular. The two triangular portions of the flag represents the two main religions that are followed in Nepal, Buddhism and Hinduism. Okay, children. And next here given one more, Bhutan flag. What is the capital of Bhutan, children? Thimphu. This is the only flag in the world which the dragon on the flag represents the country's purity. Country's purity it will be represent. The jewels on the dragon's claw symbolize its wealth. The orange color of the flag depicts Buddhism and the yellow represents the authority of the king. Okay, children, so many countries are there in our world, but we are learning some of the countries and some of the flags and capitals also. Okay, next page, see the next page, children. The capital of the United States of America is Washington, D.C. What is the capital of United States of America, children? Washington, D.C. Observe this flag, children. The 50 stars in the flag represents the 50 states of the country. So how many stars are there? 50 stars. 50 stars represents the 50 states of the country. And the 13 stripes represents the original 13 colonies that gained their independence from Great Britain. Okay, children. 13 stripes, what will be represent? 13 colonies that gained their independence from Great Britain. So next, which is the flag? Which flag given here, children? Our Indian flag. So what is the capital of India, children? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. The Indian flag has a saffron band on the top that signifies strength and courage of its people. Okay, three colors having the three different significances, children. So for saffron color, it represents courage and strength, children. The white band in the middle indicates peace and the truth that its people value. This band has the Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spoke wheel, children. In navy blue, its center. So which color will be there in the center, children? Navy blue. The green band below represents the fertility and growth of the country. So that is about our Indian flag. Okay, children. And next here given the capital of Brazil is Brasilia. So Brazil flag given here. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. Its flag has white banner inside a blue celestial globe. The flag contains 27 white stars that represents the 26 states of the country and the Federal District. And the flag of next one given Sri Lanka's. The flag of Sri Lanka is one of the world's oldest flag. So that is the oldest flag, children. It is also known as the lion flag. Sri Lanka is an island country earlier known as Ceylon. The capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Colombo. And next here given Australian flag. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Its flag has blue background bearing 6 stars, out of which 5 stars show the constellation of the Southern Cross, and the 6th is the Commonwealth star. Okay, children, the capital of Australia is Canberra. Its flag has a blue background bearing 6 stars, out of which 5 stars show the constellation of the Southern Cross, and the 6th is the Commonwealth star. And next here given Japan. Japan flag. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. The flag of Japan is white rectangle with a red disc in the center representing the circle of the sun. Okay. See once, the flag of Japan is a white rectangle with a red disc in the